Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and I want to welcome you all to our home. Today I'm sharing how I've decorated for Christmas in our main living space, our living room and the kitchen. So sit back, relax, grab something cozy to drink, and let's take a look.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present, come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
I'm not quite sure what it is about this year, but things feel extra special. Our kids are growing up way too fast and soon to be headed out the door. This year, I wanted to give our home that special warm feeling that Christmas brings each year. I sure can't stop them from growing up, but I am so glad that we have this year together and all the memories it can hold.
Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Simmer down, simmer down, pass a big smile around. Now that everything is gold, the children hunker down to see what's hidden beneath the Christmas tree. Look but not touch, they're told. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on.
There may be a small reason that this Christmas is feeling extra special. Our family just adopted this little 18-month-old Yorkie that we have named Poco. It's been a while since we've had a pup in the house, and we are all doting and loving on him as much as possible, which isn't hard to do. What he lacks in size, he more than makes up in personality, and we're so glad to call this his home.
Look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. On this cold December night, there is one star shining bright, and it shines for you and me. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Now that I've showed you the living room, let's head on into the kitchen, make a cup of coffee, and I'll show you how I've decorated in there.
First Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. They looked up and saw a star shining in the east beyond them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both day and night. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
The main area I decorated in the kitchen is the hutch. I know so many of you enjoyed the gingerbread theme that I did last year, but this year, after finding these reindeer at Walmart, I knew exactly what I wanted to do. I have an old sled that I picked up secondhand, and I just wanted this to be something from my childhood. One of my fondest memories was laying on my stomach under the Christmas tree, oohing and eyeing over my grandmother's village that she had passed on to my mom. They're both no longer with us, and what I wouldn't give to have that village back. I would sit there for hours, making up stories of who lived in the homes, while dreaming of what might be under the tree Christmas morning. I sure hope you all enjoyed coming through the house and taking a look at how I decorated this year for Christmas. I am so happy with how everything turned out and so glad I get to share that with you. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the description and I will be sure to get back to you. And from our home to yours, Merry Christmas.